dumating. I love the song. Ogie Alcacid, the composer. Freestyle.
Thank you.
Ngayon, eto na po sila. Freestyle, come on!
Yo!
Dali, aking CD. Hoy, baka magkalimutan. Go!
Alright, are you guys ready?
Sali tayong lahat!
Ito na, wawawi!
Come on!
We go! Everybody!
Kailangan namin ng tulong nyo.
Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4! Wow, wow, wee! Willy, willy! 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 Wow, wow,
Jump the front!
Dito sa Wawawi, lahat ay kasali, lahat ay bida dito, lahat ay may panalo, marami pang papremyo, walang tatalo dito, nanay, tatay kasama, lolo, lola, pamilya, buong bansa'y nawiwili, naaalim sa Wawawi, meron pang moging wili, wala nang ibang masahabi, cause we gotta beat the bounce, we gotta beat that bounce. Freestyle at Wawawi, wala nang mas happy.
People in the place! Giling-giling na kayo!
Come on, people! Giling!
Sumayaw! Kumanta!
Everybody! Everybody in the house! Come on, say! Wawawi!
Willy, willy!
Wawawi! Willy, willy! Wawawi! Willy, willy! Wawawi! Willy, willy! Wawawi! Willy, willy! Wawawi! Willy, willy! Wawawi! Willy, willy! Wawawi!
Freestyle! Thank you very much! Galing, ha? Okay ba? Okay ba?
Freestyle!
Thank you very much. Freestyle, meron kayong 50,000!
Thank you!
Okay, yung apat, vocal na ano lang, kumita pa kayo. Tatlo maglalaro, PYT. Okay, let's play. Sam, are you okay?
Yes, I'm
Are you
okay.
having a nice time?
Yep.
That's good.
Having fun.
Okay, you want a good future? Okay.
Of course.
Okay. Wawawi. Wawawi. Good future. Wow. Kamay sa baba, kayo tatlo. Kayo Joshua, Jinky, that's right. Doon sa kabila, ha? Kung ano man yung title ng kanta, kamay sa baba. We'll play the game. Kayo tatlo, galingan nyo. Kailangan title ng kanta, kamay sa baba. Girls, hindi ba sila na-brief? Okay. Kamay sa baba. Muna kayo mapademure. Okay. Ay, doon kayo papalo. Isa lang, ha? Kahit na sino, first to get 5 points. 5 points lang. Okay, kung sino maka 5 points, maglaro sa jackpot round. We have grand negosyo, we have 100,500 at 1 million. Okay, Sam, you know what to do?
Okay.
Okay, let's go!
Question.
Go. Kayo. Title ng kanta. Sayang. Di bale, you have a chance, okay? Para sa kanila, go.
Question again.
Go. Pwede na.
Cherish.
Cherish, you have 1 point. Pag nakanta nyo, you have 2 points. Sing it! From the top. Sorry, ha? Music, please. Go. Sorry, it's wrong. Cherish the thought. And that's why I'm taught you. I taught you already. Okay? Kamay sa baba. 1 point na. Habol kayo. Go, Sam!
Question. Paparazzi.
Isa?
Yes. Correct. Sing it.
I'll follow you until you love me. Paparazzi. Baby, there's no other superstar. You know that I'll be.
2 points, BYD. You have 2 points. Habol kayo, ha? First to get 5 points. Kamay sa baba. Jinky, Mike, Joshua. Okay, go, girls. Kamay sa baba. We have to play. Go, Sam!
Question.
Quiet, please.
Closer.
You have another point?
Sing it, please.
Ang galang mo naman.
Can't pull myself away under a spell. I can't wait.
Sorry, ha?
I just
Medyo,
can't
sige.
stop.
Isa pa, without the music. Go, sing it!
And I just can't pull myself away under a spell. I can't wait. I just
Sorry,
can't stop.
walang under her. Mali, ha? Okay. Sama? Break.
Break.
Ba't nakikialam kayo ako, host? Okay. Ako may sabi ko, no? Okay, ako bahala pa, hindi kayo mag-away. Kasi kayo na lang ako na lang maipit. You have another, ano, ha? You have 3 points. 3 points sila. 1 point. Humabol kayo. 1 million ang pinag-uusapan dito. Okay? Come on. Next, Sam.
Question.
Go.
Never too far.
It's correct. Number 2 part is correct. Okay? Sing it.
Never too far away. I won't let time erase one trace of yesterday.
Sorry. 1 beat of yesterday. 1 beat, okay? All right, sayang. But you have 2 points. The score is, Sam?
3 points for PYT and 2 points for freestyle.
Ang galing-galing tong batang to. Okay, ha? Ang galing-galing mo, Sam. Are you having a nice time here?
Yes, I
Okay, that's good. Okay. Next, Sam.
Sing it. I sing it.
Nagkamali
Question,
na.
please. Question.
Binibini.
Mali. It's binubuni. Okay. Tama. Okay. Another 1 point. 3 points. Okay, Sam.
Sing it.
Binibini sa aking pagtulog, ika'y panaginip ko.
Hindi ko na alam.
Sabi pa sa akin, okay na yun, sir, okay na yun. Anong okay? Hoy, tatapusin ko to. The score, Sam?
PYT for 3 points and 3 points also for freestyle.
Oh, you know what's the meaning of 3? You know what's the meaning of 3?
What?
3. I love you. I love you. Oh, di ba? May boyfriend ka ba yan?
Wala.
Oo. Wala kang boyfriend?
Wala.
Ano bang gusto mo sa isang guy? Na, di ba? Sa tingin mo?
Gusto ko yung siguro ready na magpakasal. Pero
Ready mong pakasal?
ready na and stable siguro yung...
Galing na. Okay. Ano pa? Anong edad?
Anong edad?
Anong edad?
Kahit ano.
Kahit ano? Okay. Ageless?
Ageless.
Age doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay ba sa'yo? Medyo may edad na.
Oh, boy, why not?
Mga 49? Ganun.
Wow!
49,
Why
no?
not? Why not?
Okay sa'yo. Why not? Showbiz to para makapasok siya dito. Tinuruan ka niya. Okay, you have another point. 3 points. Come on, guys!
Question.
Complicated.
Complicated is?
Correct. Sing it.
Don't make things so complicated.
Sorry, it's wrong. Okay.
Why do you have to go and make things so complicated?
Ano? Why do you
You
have
have to go and make things so complicated. Why do you have to go and make things so
Without the music, sige ha?
complicated?
Sing it, go.
Why do you have to go and make things so complicated? Life's like this.
Hindi.
Sing it
Halika.
away for-
Halika dito, may tigas ang ulo mo. I see the way you're acting like the part to ching to chong cheng. Okay?
Ayun naman, hindi pala English yung
Kita mo?
lyrics.
Kala mo? You have 4 points. 3 points. Kailangan matamang sagot kayo at makanta nyo to get the 5 points. Ulitin ko, 100,000 cash, 501 million ang game na to. Kamay sa baba! Kahit sino sa inyo, concentrate na kayo. Huwag niyong lokohin to, sayang. Okay, baby?
Question.
Quiet, please.
Reflections.
Another point. Kala nyo. Bakit? Di ba? Reflection. Ano ba sinabi?
Reflection.
Reflection. Wala.
May S? May S daw eh.
Reflection.
Oh, may
Yeah.
S. Hindi, tama. Kasi alam mo yung mga yan. Mga magtanggal ng tutuloy kanina yan. Okay. So, sige lang. Okay lang. Kayo. Alright. Music.